Hey, welcome back to the Dogecoin course. So let's talk about Dogecoin uses and exchanges, and let's start with the exchanges part. So how can you buy Dogecoin? And there is a number of ways to do it. Most of the big exchanges in the market accept already have Dogecoin listed, so you can buy Dogecoin on the cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, Kraken, KuCoin, Gate.io, Wobi, OKX, Bit, FTX, Bitum, Bitfinex, Poloniex, Gemini, Crypto.com, Changely, and many more. So we have a big list of exchanges. Most of these exchanges that I'm listing here are the big ones. And generally speaking, they are secure. So usually these exchanges may require you to set up an account and fund your account with a different cryptocurrency. So if you have already Bitcoin, for example, you can fund your account with Bitcoin usually, or with other cryptocurrencies. Or you can fund your account with fiat currency, with US dollar. Some of these exchanges allow you to fund the account with your credit card or make a bank transfer. So it's very easily, you can log in any of them and try to do it. So, and then once you fund your account, you are able to buy and exchange cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin. Coinbase, the biggest crypto exchange, does not support Dogecoin yet. They have talked about it. If you have a Coinbase account, you can use it to buy another crypto, for example, Bitcoin, and then transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to an exchange where you can exchange Bitcoin for Dogecoin, for example. All the exchanges I mentioned allow it. So yeah, I'm going to quickly show you how these work. Oh, but by the way, just wanted to tell you also that you can also buy Dogecoin on those online brokers like Robinhood, eToro, SoFi, and TradeStation. They also allow to buy Dogecoin, in addition to conventional assets like stocks and funds and bonds. They don't offer as many cryptocurrencies as crypto exchanges, but Dogecoin is generally available. But note that when you buy a cryptocurrency on Robinhood, eToro, etc., you are not really buying the cryptocurrency and you will not control it, okay? What you are buying is a contract that represents the cryptocurrency. On the other hand, when you use these exchanges that are listed here, Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, and so on, you control the coins and you can send your Dogecoin from the exchange to your wallet, for example, to the wallet that you control, to your personal wallet. So you can do whatever you want. On these exchanges that I'm listing here, once you buy Dogecoin, you can leave it on the exchange if you trust the exchange in terms of security, or you can send it to your personal wallet. Okay, so let's now take a look at how to buy Dogecoin. Okay, so I already logged in here to my Binance account, and basically what I'm going to do is just very quickly show it to you how to do it. So I've logged into my Binance account and I have already USDT. So cryptocurrencies, they always work in pairs. It's like Dogecoin against Euro or US dollar or Bitcoin, and USDT is basically a stable coin. One USDT is one US dollar, and I have a little bit of USDT on my account, and what I'm going to do now is exchange from USDT to Dogecoin. So if you have a Binance account, which is, I believe, one of the biggest exchanges at the moment in the market, what you have to do is basically come here, trade, and you can use the Convert, Classic, or Advanced. I'm going to show you the Convert and Classic. Convert is more straightforward. I just click Convert, and I put the amount of USDT that I want to exchange. I'm going to put, in this case, I want to exchange $50 worth of USDT, and I want to exchange it for Doge. So I type Doge and click preview conversion. Okay, 50 USDT, $50 in the moment. At the moment, is going to give me 112 Doge. Click here, refresh. Okay, I want to convert. Okay, done. So I have just converted 50 US dollars into Dogecoin. So I check here the trade history. Yes, I have converted it. Okay, looks good. I can come here to my wallet overview, and I will see that I have an amount of Dogecoin. I'm just going to show the balances. So you see here that I have 112 Dogecoin in my account, worth of approximately 50 US dollars. Okay, now I want to show you how to use the classic view. So I have made convert. Now let's do classic. On classic, you have this panel. And by the way, I'm showing you Binance. I'm not going to show you the other exchanges because they are all very, very, very similar, okay? The same way you see here, these all the other exchanges that I have listed in these slides, they all have pretty much the same. So I'm not just going to repeat exactly the same, and I'm going to show it to you only once here. So I have here this panel. And this is the BTC USDT pair. You have here this on the left is the order book. You have the chart, and you have here the different pairs, the different cryptocurrencies. I'm going to type Doge, and you know that I want to exchange US dollar USDT for Doge. So I'm going to say this one here. Okay, and now I'm on the Doge USDT pair. So I have here the chart. I can scroll down and I see here the order book, the current price, and I can do a limit order or a market order. Limit order, I would set up a price that I want to pay for the Dogecoin, okay, and I will only pay for at this price. So if I want to buy Doge and I want to buy 50 Doge, I'm going to pay 0.44142 for Doge. However, this is kind of more secure. The limit order is secure in terms of if there is volatility in the market to make sure that I'm going to get this price. But there is a risk that eventually my order is not fulfilled if the market is moving too much, right? So you see that I put here 0.44142. And at the moment is 0.43. So there is a little bit risk that my order is not going to be fulfilled because now the buy price is 0.43 and not 0.44 or whatever. You get the point. The price may change. So usually what I do if the market is not too volatile is you can select market order, and you are going basically just buy at whatever is the price in the market. And I want to buy again 50 US dollar worth of Doge, and I go ahead and click just buy, and okay, it's done. I just bought $50 worth of Dogecoin more. So if I go back to my wallet overview, and I click here, I can see that I have now 222 Dogecoin worth, which is worth 99.63 US dollar. Okay, easy, right? Okay, once you buy Doge, you can leave it in your exchange So I have only like 99 US dollar worth of Doge, so it's not like too risky. I'm not going to lose my sleep if I have here $99. But if I have, I don't know, $99,000, I'll really want to keep these secure, because what happens if Binance is hacked or something? So depending on if this like money that will impact your life or not, you can leave it on the exchange if you trust the exchange. If you trust that the exchange can keep the coins more secure, then you'll do, or you can move it to a wallet that is controlled by yourself. Next chapter we are going to talk in detail about the wallets, but there are different kinds of wallets and they have different security levels. You have online wallets, you have mobile and desktop wallets, you have cold storage wallets or hardware wallets, which are the most secure ones. You have paper wallets also that are very common. And there are also a number of additional ways to secure private keys, such as like these paper wallets and cold storage wallets. The cold storage or wallets are the most secure. And you have multi-signature wallets where you can ensure that only with 2 or 3 signatures you move the funds to keep the wallet more secure. And so these wallets are less susceptible to theft because they can be stored offline and have additional layers of security. On the other hand, a hot wallet, meaning that it's online, is kind of more exposed to hackers because hackers are online. But yeah, we are going to talk later about these wallets. So, and now I want to show you, now that we have purchased some Doge, I want to show you how to exchange this Doge back to USDT in this case. Okay, so I could click here, trades, and trade Doge for, let's see, where is our USDT? Here it is. I just noticed that I was covering a bit. Okay, or I could eventually click directly the trade option and click classic. But what I'm going to do now is then, okay, I want to I'll scroll down here. So I'm on the Doge USDT, right? As you can see here. So I'm going to scroll down and I will select the market option and I want to sell Doge. I want to sell, okay, 50 Doge. And basically I click sell and it's done. I just completed the order. So this is how easy it is. If I click order history, I have here, I bought this amount of Doge and now I sold 50 Doge. That is equivalent to total 21.093 USDT. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this session. I'll see you soon again.